Hello everyone, this is Ashwath Narayanan, Carnatic musician.
My name is Rasika Shekhar, and
I'm MD Pallavi. I'm honored and happy to have been a part of this song.
and I've had the good fortune of being a part of a very special musical project.
I am really happy to be associating myself with a project that's being put together by the Aim for Seva Foundation.
We've rendered a composition of Swami Dayananda Saraswati, the founder of Aim for Seva. In this song, the composition of Swamiji, produced by the very talented Amrit Ramnath, Swamiji speaks about the importance of Seva.
Aim for Seva, which is doing some wonderful work across, 15 states of India in the field of education.
They have hundreds of facilities that span anywhere from providing homes to schooling to healthcare to skill development, etc. Operationalizing something like this is not an easy task and it would require a lot of resources to be mobilized, both financially and otherwise.
We can all do our bit, and any contribution will go a long, long way.
So I wish and hope that you also will support this cause and support the organization. Thank you.